Good morning! Magandang umaga! Gusto na mga lolo, lola, nanay, tatay, kapatid at kaibigan. So finally, nakababa na kami.
Yan, dito tayo. Dito.
Ganda kaya ng view.
Sige. Dito.
Kuhanan daw ng picture.
Ah,
Ibani.
marami pa tayo dito sa bundok.
Ayan na.
Halika, tabi.
Oh, go! Go! Meron tayo na sa bundok.
Ganda oh. Finally, nakita na namin yung patag. Ayan oh, may mangrove pa. Ayan oh. Imagine mo, makakit kami ng 2 bundok. Sometimes, exploring is really challenging. And for seniors like us, it's a big accomplishment, really. So, as I said, yung mga senior na nag-explore pa, don't be discouraged. We really need to go to new places na we were not able to go before because we're too busy raising our children, working for a living, and this time is really an adventure that's worth it talaga. It's really good. When spring comes, ayan o, nagsugpot na yung mga leaves, so that means spring is coming very soon. Sa mangrove na maraming mga isda, mga crabs, mini shrimp. Yan o, napakaganda na dito, hangin, presko pa. Yan o. Daming boats o, ayan yan, boat yan, ang haba, dami o. This is really the fishing village. Galing. Ha? Aakyat pa daw kami. Nag-joke. Yung pavilion.
Doon tayo galing ha. Sa kabilang bundok.
So you mean to say, hindi pa tayo nakaano? Masarap ba? Mas malaki yata yan. Ayan o. Oh, ayan ang aming dessert. Frozen mango. Okay.
Sarap naman.
Pauwi na kami. Sarap pa. Sarap.